Hello, thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family. Thank you. Today, we are going to tell you about 25 hair conditioners for fast hair care. Don't forget to like the video when you start. Certainly, here are 25 good oils that are beneficial for hair. 1. Coconut oil. Promotes hair growth, deeply moisturizes and conditions hair, reduces protein loss. 2. Argan oil. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, moisturizes and softens hair, protects against heat damage. 3. Jojoba oil. Mimics the natural oils of the scalp, moisturizes without leaving a greasy residue, helps with dandruff and dry scalp. 4. Olive oil. Penetrates hair shaft to retain moisture, adds shine and strength to hair, contains antioxidants and vitamins A and E5. Castor oil. Promotes hair growth and thickness, contains ricinoleic acid, which balances scalp pH, has antifungal and antibacterial properties. 6. Almond oil. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E. Moisturizes and conditions hair, reduces hair breakage and split ends. Grapeseed oil. Lightweight and non-greasy, rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, strengthens and moisturizes hair. 8. Avocado oil. High in fatty acids and vitamins A, D, and E, penetrates the hair shaft and scalp, promotes hair growth and health. Rosemary oil. Stimulates hair growth and circulation to the scalp, prevents premature graying and dandruff, has antimicrobial properties. 10. Tea tree oil. Has antifungal and antibacterial properties, treats dandruff and promotes a healthy scalp, unclogs hair follicles and promotes hair growth. 11. Sesame oil. Rich in vitamins and minerals, nourishes the scalp, prevents hair loss and promotes growth. 12. Peppermint oil. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promotes hair growth, provides a cooling and refreshing sensation. 13. Lavender oil. Has antimicrobial properties, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff and itching. 14. Hemp seed oil. Rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, moisturizes hair and scalp, strengthens hair and promotes growth. 15. Macadamia oil. Rich in fatty acids, smooths and adds shine to hair, repairs and strengthens hair. 16. Pumpkin seed oil. Rich in vitamins A, K, and E, promotes hair growth, nourishes the scalp. 17. Black seed oil. Strengthens hair and promotes growth, reduces hair fall, has antifungal and antibacterial properties. 18. Amla oil. Rich in vitamin C, promotes hair growth and prevents graying, strengthens hair follicles. 19. Bringraj oil. Promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, prevents dandruff and scalp issues. 20. Neem oil. Antifungal and antibacterial properties, treats dandruff and scalp infections, promotes healthy hair growth. 21. Mustard oil. Stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff and itchiness. 22. Baobab oil. Rich in vitamins A, D, E, and F, moisturizes and strengthens hair, promotes elasticity and reduces breakage. 23. Tamanu oil. Antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, promotes healthy scalp, strengthens and conditions hair. 24. Pomegranate seed oil. Rich in antioxidants, nourishes and moisturizes hair, promotes hair growth and health. 25. Marula oil. Rich in vitamins C and E, moisturizes and hydrates hair, adds shine and reduces frizz. These oils provide a wide range of benefits for different hair types and conditions. They can be used individually or in combination with other hair care products to enhance hair health and appearance. Thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family. Thank you.